Good morning everybody. Okay, I want to talk to you today about KAMPA Limpets and the Limpet Fix Kit. Now I have mentioned these before in one of my videos, but I think they're really worth just doing a separate video log really just on their own, because they are quite good and they're not just for camper awnings or camper pieces of kit. You can use them elsewhere. So let's have a look at what we've got here today. This is the basic kit that they come in, which is packs of 8. Now you can buy these from most online retailers for caravan accessories, so Amazon and other sort of caravan accessory type sites, eBay, etc. Most caravan shops who stock camper obviously have these, so they come in a pack of 8. You've also got this little piece of kit here. Now this helps you actually put the hole in awnings or pieces of plastic where you want the limpet to go. Now some of you old timers like myself, although I didn't have one, you may have one of these or something like it where you can put a hole in a belt loop. That's the type of thing it is. It's no different from that. You need a reasonable size hole, so if you haven't got one of those, either borrow one of these from a friend, or you could actually buy one again when you buy your pack of limpets. And then this is the limpet. So I've taken one to pieces here, and it consists of 3 parts. You've got the sucker part, which has got a screw thread on it. Then you've got like a washer that goes over the top like that, and then you've got the screw in piece that goes onto the top of that. And then as that bites and it starts to get tighter, it draws that sucker in, and that is all it's about. It draws the sucker in, which means it stays put on a shiny surface and doesn't budge. So it's perfect if you're trying to fix things to the side of your caravan, awning skirts, porch awnings, just to give that little bit of extra seal, I suppose, between you and the outside elements. You will never ever completely seal off an awning from the outside elements, but it may well certainly help keep some of those drafts at bay. So that's the kit. So let's just have a quick look at how we can fix them and use them. Okay, so here's one way of actually using them. Here's the awning skirt that I've got sitting here on the side of the van. And to keep it onto the side of the van, I'm going to use the limpets. Now, as you can see, I've already cut out 3 holes by using the hole punch. And then all you need to do is make sure that the side of your van is clean. So give it a wipe with a damp cloth. Just make sure that it is clean, and then we can actually start to put the limpets onto that van. Okay, so what we need to do is take the rubber sucker with the thread on it, pop that through one of the holes like that, so it sits there like that, and it's the sucker that will actually go on to the van. Okay, then take the washer, which is like that. That goes over the top of the thread like so. Okay, and then we take the rest of the limpet, which has got the thread in it, screw that onto there, so it just bites. As you can see, that is now on there. Line it up, place it against the van, and just give it a twist, just 2 or 3 times, and you'll feel that tighten up. And as that's tightening up, that is actually giving you a good sucker up against that van. So that is on there secure. So let's look at the next one. Take the limpet to pieces, unscrew the top, take off the washer, pop that through the hole, the washer on top, place that in there, just screw that on, make sure that that's clean, place it on the side of the van, and just flat and screw it on until you feel it bite. And that is on there really good and tight. And then we'll just take that third one, pop it through the hole, oops, through the hole like that, the washer, put the top on there, place it on the van, and then just screw it until you feel it tighten. There you go. That is how you can fix an awning skirt on with your limpets. Now you can go a step further. I've used them on the foam pads on the side of the awning as well, just there. It's a bit trickier, but if you can get them through your foam pads, it does give you that seal down the side there as well. And I said, you'll never get a complete seal in an awning when you're doing and putting it up, but you will at least be able to get rid of some of those drafts. So there you go. That's the Limpet Fix Kit by KAMPA. And then that's the hole punch. That's what your limpet consists of. It's your sucker, your washer, and the screw cap. Well, I hope you found that informative. I find them really good, and they do a very good job. Well worth the investment. As I said, you can find them in most accessory shops and places like Amazon, eBay. So have a look around, find the best price. If you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up. Would really appreciate it, and hit that red button and subscribe, because the more subscribers we get, the more information we can bring to you. So thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.